What's up guys, you are watching the Sid Show, and if you are new on my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and a like. And today we are going to talk about the Sony PlayStation 4 error. It's an error about how to fix SharePlay error and a connection error. So I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we go at the screen. So you just go to the settings. Here is the settings, and then scroll down. Here you have the network and go view status of PlayStation network services. Sometimes the servers is not working up and everything is not going to online, everything is offline. So simply you just check it. And if the DNS is working good, then you go to set up new connection, forget the old one and set up a new one. And here you can set on the automatic. And then here we go to the other option, go to the base, game base, and here you start the open party and start the close party. If you start the close party, you can add your friends. If you start the open party, you can just add it anyone. And here's the SharePlay and the party settings and the start a SharePlay. You simply start a SharePlay. Here is the currently there are no players. So if you have a player online, you can get the list here and add it. So simply that's how you can fix the error, a SharePlay error, connectivity error. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and a like. And I hope you found my video helpful for you. See you soon for the next one, for the next topic. If you want any help or a query, just ask me in the comment box.